Hey everyone, Ashley here, and today we're going to create this look with the Cool Matte Obsessions palette from Huda Beauty. I'm first starting out with this soft purple shade in a Morphe brush, and I'm packing it on the outer 2/3 of the lid, creating a V shape in the outer corner. Just slowly building up the color and then blending it upwards towards the brow bone. This is going to act as a transition shade and a base to the colors I'm going to apply next. Just slowly building up the color. I don't want to start out with too much because you really can't move backwards once you've applied too much. So I'm just slowly building it up, using little swiping and swirling motions on the edges to diffuse everything out, sweeping it inwards. I'm just making sure all my edges are seamless. Just building up the color. Next, I'm dipping into this cool pink shade and applying it to the inner corner, sweeping it into that previous purple and then bringing it down onto the lower lash line area, and then just diffusing the edges to have a soft seamless look in the inner corner, bringing it upwards, just kind of blending out the edges. Next, I'm going to dip into this shade, which is like a deep purple. I'm using a pencil type brush here from Morphe, and just kind of packing it in the outer corner for now, following that V shape in the outer corner and then sweeping it inwards. I'm not going to worry about blending it yet, just kind of placing the color. See, I'm creating that V shape following the upward slope of my lower lash line, and then bringing it in towards the crease and the center of the eye. I'm kind of doing a little bit of blending with this brush, but then going back in with the brush we applied the purple with. As you can see, I have a little bit of the purple on the brush to help blend it out a little bit, using little circular motions on the edges, blending it towards the center, going back in with that transition purple if needed, or a little bit of the darker purple to help blend the two colors, but just slowly building it up. If I do dip into the darker shade like I am right here, as I don't want to add too much. So here, just diffusing everything out. Next, I'm dipping into this deeper purple, and again, just packing it a little bit lower on the outer corner. Just kind of keeping it below my crease. And then bringing it in towards the center of the eye a little bit. Just softly using little circular motions on the edges. Being careful to blend everything out, going back in with a fluffy brush again. Just softly diffusing that. Going back in with a little bit more of the purple to make sure everything is soft and blended. Here, it's a little bit darker in the outer corner, so I'm just going to fix that a little bit. Next, I'm using this black eyeliner from Maven Beauty and then drawing on a wing, making it thinner in the inner corner and then thicker in the outer corner, as well as drawing on an inner corner wing. Here I'm just filling in the shape, cleaning up my lines. Next, I'm going in with this pale pink and applying it to my lower lash line with a shader brush from Hobby Lobby. Then applying some of this berry brown eyeliner from Huda Beauty to my waterline and a little bit on my lash line, and then smoking it out with this dark purple shade. And then I'm applying mascara and lashes. And that completes the look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Be sure to tap the subscribe button down below and the notification bell to be notified of the next time I post. And I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.